Introducing DeepSeek, the AI revolution. Did you know that DeepSeek is 10x faster than ChatGPT? And guess what? It was created by China in a low budget and in record time. Yet it's making waves all over the world. People everywhere are switching to DeepSeek because it offers premium AI features for free. Why pay for ChatGPT's pro features when DeepSeek gives them at no cost? That's right. Many of ChatGPT's paid features, like real-time web search and advanced thinking, are completely free on DeepSeek. Let me show you how awesome this AI really is. Step into the future with DeepSeek. First, open your browser and type DeepSeek. Click on the first website that appears. You're now inside the world of DeepSeek. You have two options: use it online or download the app. Scroll down to see its amazing capabilities. Click on Start Now. Here, you need to sign up or log in with Google. I'll choose Log in with Google. Select your account and click Continue. Welcome to DeepSeek. Now let's test it out. I'll ask, tell me in short, how can I earn using DeepSeek? And just like ChatGPT, it gives me an instant answer. But hold on, DeepSeek has something even more powerful. Introducing DeepThink, R1. I'll ask the same question again, but this time I'll turn on DeepThink, R1. Now watch, DeepSeek actually thinks before answering, just like a human brain. And after a few seconds, bam! A more thoughtful, detailed response. DeepSeek is for everyone. Now let's ask, how is it useful for housewives, doctors, students, and teachers? After thinking for a few seconds, DeepSeek gives a brilliant answer. You can even translate it into different languages instantly, calling all software developers. Let's go next level. I'll ask, create a tic-tac-toe game code. And boom! DeepSeek instantly gives me a working Python code. But wait, I want to actually play this game. So I'll ask, convert it to HTML so I can play it. And just like magic, DeepSeek transforms the code into HTML. It even provides game instructions, features, and a guide on how to play. Let's play. Click Run HTML. And wow, the tic-tac-toe game is live. You can reset it, and O player wins. Want more? Let's create a snake game. I'll now ask DeepSeek to create a snake game. And just like before, it writes the code, explains it, and gets the game ready to play. Now, let's play and have some fun. DeepSeek has real-time internet access. Here's where DeepSeek outshines ChatGPT. If I click Search and ask it any question, it scans the web and gives me the latest information. But right now, the server is busy, so I'll try again later. Why DeepSeek is the future. 10x faster than ChatGPT, free advanced AI features, real-time web search, deep thinking ability, generates full working codes instantly. DeepSeek is not just another AI, it's a game changer. And the best part? It's completely free, for now. But remember, it might become paid in the future, so this is your chance to use all its powerful features for free while you still can. So what are you waiting for? Go try DeepSeek now and experience the future of AI.